I've never seen babies.
Not that small.
She's collared.
Yeah. Oh, aren't they precious?
Just don't go near the mama because she will kill you.
Well, you don't want to get anywhere near those cubs.
She says they spotted us. We gotta waddle on now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the one's laying out there.
So cute.
I could go out in the garage and turn the sprinklers on. You want to see them run?
Oh, he's trying to get a drink out of the bird feeder, or out of the water bird bath.
They both know.
Oh, Mama got the bird feeder.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh well, we're packing up to move tomorrow anyway, so I guess that's the end of the bird feeder up here.
Yeah.
That will be the last time.
It'll be eaten by a bear.
Here.
Hey, you know, we're leaving tomorrow, so you can take it with you. You can just take it with you if you want to. I won't have to move it. Aw, come on. Oh, well, thank you.